Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and today we'll be looking into how we actually can do batch invoice printing in SQL Accounting. So actually, have you ever been in a position where you actually generate multiple invoices in a month and you have to select one by one to print it out? Well, in SQL Accounting, we actually have a batch printing function that enables user to print out multiple invoices with a click of a button. So let's say, for example, we like to print all the invoices for March. We just come to here to sales, here to reporting. Here we press print sales document listing. Alright, then of course what happens is we must first select invoice listing, change the month to March, 31st March, okay. And then what happens is you need to select here print document style, click here, and we just press apply. So all the invoices will be here. Let's say now got 7 invoices. Instead of printing out, I just press preview. So from here you can see actually we can select our whatever invoices that we actually have in the system. So let's say example sales invoice 1, okay. Okay, then what happens is once we generate this, then of course you can actually see all the different invoices in the system. So of course if you have a batch email function, you can select here and you can say export to email client. If not, then you can just print out and then you can actually send one by one to the clients. Alright, so that's actually how easy you can do batch printing in SQL Accounting. Do let us know in the comments below if you have any topics that you like us to cover. Thanks.